Hello everyone, I'm City Manager Steve Adams, and I'm joining you today to provide more updates on how the City of Loveland is responding to the coronavirus outbreak. On Tuesday, March 31st, the City held a remote town hall meeting on COVID-19, which featured special panelists from Larimer County and the Thompson School District to provide critical information on COVID-19 and the impacts to our community. In an effort to keep you informed and to offer a mechanism to directly connect with the City, these messages will continue to be provided to you at least weekly. I'll start by listing the most recent confirmed cases of COVID-19. They are over 1 million cases globally, nearly 245,000 cases in the U.S., over 3,700 cases in Colorado, and 44 cases in Loveland. The City is still operating under the state-issued stay-at-home order, which extends until April 11th, 2020, but we anticipate that date will be extended by the Governor relatively soon. At that time, we will update our closure listing on our website, which can be found at cityofloveland.org/COVID-19. Now, I want to take the time to answer the questions you have submitted to us. Some of these questions were best addressed by Larimer County Department of Health, so we have coordinated with them to provide you a response. The first question, when and where will testing be available? And when will tests stop being limited to people with known exposure? Larimer County is still unsure when more testing will be available. The county continues to ask our state and federal partners for additional testing supplies. Currently, hospitalized patients and healthcare workers are prioritized for testing, and there are some limited testing options for those at higher risk who are experiencing symptoms. Because testing is so limited, anyone who has symptoms similar to COVID-19 that are not life-threatening should remain home and away from others for at least 1 week after symptoms improve and at least 72 hours after their fever goes away without using fever-reducing medicine. For more information on home care and testing, please visit the county's website for that information. The next question, does running clothing or fabric through the dryer on the regular heat setting kill the COVID-19 virus? The CDC instructs folks to launder items according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use the warmest appropriate warm water setting and dry items completely. Learn more about the CDC's guidance for cleaning and disinfecting your home at the web address linked below. Last question, for those that have lost their jobs and who may be unable to pay their mortgage or rent, how is the City helping those people? During the outbreak, we are very concerned about renters and homeowners who will struggle to pay their payments. While the Loveland Municipal Court does not process eviction cases, the state and county courts do. Since the county courts are now currently closed and are not scheduled to reopen until mid-May, any eviction cases will not be processed until that time. On March 18th, the Department of Housing and Urban Development announced they were suspending all evictions and foreclosures through the end of April. The Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, has suspended foreclosures and evictions for holders of single-family mortgages for 60 days. The FHFA has also directed Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, who buy most of the home loans, to do the same for 60 days. The City is also providing relief by suspending utility bill shutoffs through April 30th and will not be assessing late fees during that time. We have given businesses extra time to remit sales tax collections, knowing that many are struggling at this time. Lastly, we are preparing to be flexible with any lease payments for rental of our properties and have made our Colt buses fare-free so you can continue to access vital services without cost. Thank you for tuning in today, and please continue to send your questions to our COVID-19 email address so we can continue to provide you the answers you want to know most about. Please stay inside and stay well. Thank you.